my YouTube channel where with simple Canva designs trick that can convert, that can bring sales. Then that children, in fact, children can design with somebody of 10 years old, the child of 10 years old can design using Canva. But today, this video is not for children, but children can learn from it. So you should be familiar with this dashboard by now. But if you don't have this dashboard, just go to Chrome, click on your Chrome browser, and search for www.canva.com. So once you search, if you don't have the account, you will sign up with your Gmail. Then once you sign up, you will see this dashboard. Yes, on your phone. So you want to create a short video. So just click on video, then click on Instagram Reels. So this is it. So now we are coming to elements. Then under design, you have a lot of templates. Let me bring out templates. You see a lot. But we are not using any of this today. We are designing from scratch. So go to elements. Under element, just scroll up. You will see grid. You see grid? Just click on grid, then pick this first one. Okay, so this is it. Then go to elements. Go back. Search for sky. Just sky or moving sky. Go to video. See it? We have different ones. And if you want to change, if you want vertical or horizontal, this is where you go. You go to orientation, pick vertical. Click on vertical. You see the tall one. Then for horizontal, you also click on horizontal. So let's pick any one of these. So I think I like this. But wait, let me ask you, for some people that don't have Canva Pro, just scroll like this, go to price and click on free. You see everything that is free. Sure, you see. So just click on any one. So I think I'll click on this first one. Let me click on this first one and I'll put it inside the frame. You see it now? It's inside the frame. Okay. So what I will do, I will now click on this. I will now come to this speed. I will now reduce the speed. Pata. I don't want it to be fast. So this is it. So I have how many seconds? 29 seconds instead of 7 seconds. So this is how we do it now. It's okay. So this, I wanted this. So let me just delete this because I wanted this to be inside my frame before. So delete. So here, yes, we have this now. So let's just play it. You see it now? It's moving slowly. Okay. So now let's go to elements. Go to elements and go to shape. Go to shapes. You see shapes. This is our shape. Just pick basic shape. Pick square. This first one. You adjust it with your hand. Okay, this is it. Okay. Go to corner. And just corner. Maybe 22. 22 is okay. Then look at it very well. This color, do you like this color with what you have? So you can just come to the color and let's see whether we can have some other calm colors that we can use. I have some calm colors here so that I can use. I also have this. Okay, so I can use this. Okay, I'll adjust it. Okay, then that's that. I'll go to elements, go back and go and search for drop shadow. Drop shadow or rectangular drop shadow. Just click on it. Then go to graphics, see all. Okay, so this is the one we are looking for. Continue to search and search. I can use this. I can use this one here if I want. I can use this one. Just put it on and stretch. And send it to the back. In fact, reduce the transparency to 50. Then send it to the back. Click on it. Then go to position and send it to the back. Send it to the back. You see it now? Okay. Then you can bring it down a little, but we are not bringing it down. It's okay like that. So that's it. So just bring it out like this, stretch it, and click on the first one. Press it down, select, okay? Then group. That's all. That's all. So then zoom back. Okay, so this one, just copy. I only need 3 boxes. Then this. And if my box is not well arranged, I'll click on the first one, press it down, select multiple, second one, third one, close this, go to position, align, center, spacing, tidy up. Since I said center, but if it's not well arranged, I'll just click on tidy up. It's going to tidy it up for me. And I'll group it. Now I'll go to position again, align, everything is okay now. So this is it now. So this is it. So let me now go to my tests. Then I can choose to reduce, to go to transparency and reduce, you see, and reduce it together, or just leave it like this. 87, 89 is okay. So yeah, let's go to my test. I have my test under Google Keep. Let me just go to Keep. Where's my Keep? Keep. Where is my Keep? So okay. So this is it. The first box, I will enter this. Select or copy. Come here. Come to tests. Test. Body test. Paste. Okay. So I'll bring this one first. Go to color, change the color to black. Then click on it again, change the fonts. So any of this, you can use this, and you can also use this. See now, but I think I prefer this one. This is fine. So you see, so I'll just copy this. Then I'll go back to the second one and copy the second one. This is it. Three dots, copy. I'll just click on this and paste and mark, and this is it. So I'll adjust it. So I'll just move it by the edge like this. You see it now? Move it to the middle. Then the third one. Okay, I'll go and copy the third one. Jehovah does not abandon those who wait for him. So this. So I just short reels that you can use at least to motivate yourself to think about the kind of God you are serving. Okay. So this is it. So this is it. So okay. So I'll just click on this and I'll reduce the spacing. I'll go to advanced, then 1.24, 1.24. Okay, for the spacing, this to the same thing, 1.24. Then the third one, the same thing, 1.24. So okay, so let me close this so everything is okay now. So we are good to go. I'll just click on it and make sure that everything is perfectly fine. So remaining, so let's play. And then you come here, come to this place, come to this. Then let me see if I can move the three together. So just come here and make sure it ends here. Make sure your test ends here, where your video stop. See? The second one, make sure it stops where your video stops. Come. Then the third one, make sure it stops where your video stops. This one, I'm only moving the test to 31. Make sure it's 31.0. This one also should be okay. The video is even 31. The video is 31, so we need 31 seconds. 31.0. Make sure it's 31.0. Yes. It's okay. Then the shape, just pull it like this. Yeah. Okay. Make sure it is 30 seconds or 31. I think the video is 31, so okay, that's all. Make sure it's 31. Okay. Go and check the other ones too. 31.0. Okay. This one. Make sure, so you see now. Make sure it's 31.0. So we're showing you this 31 point. So let's see the length of this. Okay, so yeah, let's play now. So this is it. The video will be moving, then it's remaining something. Do you know what it is? Audio. So just come in and click on this. Add audio. Search for peaceful. Let's search for calm piano. It's okay. So you can also search for peaceful piano. This one. Then you see. Let's listen to the sound. Now go with the kind of test you are using. It's another one. So let see the first one. Okay. So make sure you're starting at the edge. Make sure you're starting with all of them. Click on this and bring it in. Okay. So let's play. It's moving, but so this is for people that want to do just one particular video. Other people can do that videos, but just one particular. This is very important. So let's explain. So you come here, you click on. So we are good to go now. So let me see where the video will finish. So now we need to adjust this ones and stop here. Make sure you are stopping exactly where the video is stopping. Okay. 29. Okay. 99. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's easy. So this is it. So you just come here and click on download and just download. So you have it. You can use it on your WhatsApp status. You can use it on your Facebook stories, Reels, even concerning your business. Just follow the same step. Very simple to create. And if you want to sell it as a template, all you have to do is to use that grid. Make sure you drop the video inside that grid. So that anybody that buy it as template or get it as template can just change the video, change the text, and have it as their own copy. So see you in the next video. Please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you practice. What you don't practice, you don't know. And that is where you start hiding your creativity. And I don't want that for you. So let's open it. So this is so then why are you not using Canva?